Hey guys, in today's video, I'll guide you how to schedule social media posts with Canva. Now, in the homepage of Canva, select a design you want to upload. And after that, tap the share button. Then scroll down and navigate the schedule. Now in here, you have to select the date when you want to upload the post. And also include the time and tap done. Then after that, you have to select the channel where you want to upload your post. Then in here, you have to input your description. And once you're all settled with that, just tap save and schedule. Now in here, your post is already scheduled. To view all your posts scheduled, just tap content planner. And there you go, you see all your scheduled content in here. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.